Friends, welcome to Lakshmi Arts. And today in this video, let's see how to make Lippan Mirror Mosaic art. Mirror mosaic can be made using wall putty, POP powder or cement. And in this video, let's see how to make mirror mosaic bookmark using cement. So let's go ahead and see the step-by-step procedure of making mirror mosaic bookmark. Friends, let's make this beautiful Lippan bookmark by taking a MDF rectangle cutout measuring 2 inches by 6.5 inches in size and 4 mm in width. Let's mark a border for the MDF cutout all around the sides. Next, mark the vertical center line by measuring the cutout equally. Measure the center point for the two portions and divide the rectangle into 4 portions equally. Let's make some markings to stick the drop-shaped mirror cutouts. Here we are going to add a tassel, so we will not stick any mirror over here. Let's take 5 mm size circle and drop shaped mirror cutouts and stick it over the markings with the help of glue as shown. Also, let's extend the design by adding more mirrors. We can add some small mirrors in between to cover the gaps. Next, let's take 4 mm square mirror cutouts around the edges inside the margin made earlier. Let's keep it aside to dry completely. Once dry, let's make the cement paste by adding together cement powder, white glue and acrylic color. Add water as required and make a thick and sticky paste. The consistency of the cement should be sticky and not free-flowing. Here we have made a pink cement paste. Let's apply it over the MDF cutout in the center area. Scrape out the excess cement using a card as shown. Apply the paste on the edges too, if required, and which is optional. Next, let's make an orange cement paste and apply it on the MDF cutout on the remaining area. And again scrape out the extra cement using a card. Clean the mirrors after some time with a damp cloth if it is covered with any residue of the cement, as once the cement dries up completely, it will be difficult to remove it. Here we have applied the cement paste onto the MDF bookmark and have made a dual colored bookmark. Let's keep it aside to dry completely. Once dry, let's color the back with black acrylic paint and let it dry. We can even varnish over the black color after it dries completely. Let's attach a tassel on our Lippan bookmark as shown. Here our beautiful dual colored Lippan art bookmark is ready to use or to gift it to someone who loves reading a book. Thanks for watching.